Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the NE Runtime Optimization Service high CPU usage problem on Windows 11 or Windows 10. The NET Runtime Optimization Service helps speed up the launch of .NET applications by optimizing them in the background. Sometimes, though, it can use too much CPU for too long, slowing down your computer. Don't worry, with a few quick steps, you can fix this and get your system running smoothly again. Let's get started. Step 1. Run commands in Command Prompt. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Copy the command provided. Wait a moment, then copy and paste the second command and press Enter. When the blinking cursor returns, close the window and restart your computer. Step 2. Repair Visual C++ Redistributables. Open the search menu, type Control Panel, and open it. In the top right, make sure View By is set to Category. Under Programs, click Uninstall a Program. Find any programs that say Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Click one, go to Change, choose Repair, click Yes, and then select Close. Repeat this for all Visual C++ redistributables you have. Finally, restart your computer again. That's it. Now you know how to fix high usage by the .NET Runtime Optimization Service. Good luck.